Hello everybody and welcome to the CAD Yellow Weekly Tutorial Challenge number 2. We are going to create the painting of a magical night scenery. I'm using a 12-inch by 9-inch canvas and there is a 2-inch circular masking tape pasted on the surface. We need the following 6 colors for this painting. Start by adding the colors directly onto the canvas surface. Spread the paint using a palette knife while taking care not to mix the colors yet. Now, using a 1.5-inch flat brush, spread and mix the colors. Remember not to use any long vertical strokes. Start from bottom to the top first, that is from white to ultramarine blue, and then gently go from the top to the bottom, bringing down some of the blue to the white. Smoothen out the paint if required. Now add a little amount of black near the top edge of the canvas and spread it with the ultramarine blue. Then spread it further down till the middle of the canvas surface. We are going to paint some stars next, but wait till the paint is dry. You could use a hairdryer to speed up the process. Painting stars is quite easy. Take some white paint on a fine point round brush, paint a few big stars and then paint a number of small stars. Carefully remove the masking tape. Now for the moon, we need the tiniest amount of lemon yellow mixed with white. Apply the mix carefully within the circle. Add a tiny spot of black to the yellow and white mix, blend well, and then apply using a dabbing technique. Next step is to paint some distant hills and a nearby rock using black paint. From this point on, we need just the black paint to complete the painting. Draw the outline using a small flat brush and then fill in the black color using a larger brush. Ensure that the background colors are fully covered by black, but within the outline. Next is to paint some distant trees. Take some black paint on the edge of the palette knife and paint the tree trunks. Then, using the corner as well as the edge of a 1/2-inch flat brush, paint the leaves on the trees. Make sure that the top of the tallest tree remains below the center of the canvas. Once you complete the distant trees, the next stage is to paint a couple of trees on the top of the nearby rock. Use a small flat brush to draw the tree trunks. It's time to paint the branches. You can use a flat brush, a round brush, or a liner brush to do this. I'm using a flat brush here, but it'll be easier to use a liner brush, so feel free to use it if that's more comfortable for you. Now draw some thinner branches. This time I'm using a round brush. And finally, a couple of birds sitting on the branch which is between our view and the moon. Again, I'm using the round brush to paint the birds. And with that, we have a painting. I really hope you liked it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again for joining me. Take care and stay safe.